Hey guys, and welcome to Sandwich Life with Falcony. So I'm going to share you with a very exciting thing about why the name Bollywood and what these kind of words are called. And by the end of the video, there is a question for you guys. So I'm expecting really good answers in the comment section. So let's start the video. Do I look excited to you? क्या करूँ जब भी बॉलीवुड का नाम आता है ना, एक्साइटमेंट अंदर से अपने आप आ जाती है. So anyways, today we are going to tell you about very easy concept that why it is Bollywood, what is the reason behind it, and do you know कि जो words होते हैं like Bollywood, Hollywood, there is a specific name for these kind of words. What are these names? So the word Bollywood, हम सबको पता है that Bollywood word is inspired by the word Hollywood, which is the film industry in New York. But how the word come into existence? Do we know about it? Bollywood is the combination of two different words. One is Bombay and second is Hollywood. Mumbai is earlier known as Bombay. So the first half of Bombay, B-O, and the last half of Hollywood. We will combine it, so it will become Bollywood. Now, इस टाइप के वर्ड्स को जहाँ पे you combine the words, what they are called. So these kind of words are known as portmanteau words. In simple language if you call it, हम लोग ये बचपन से ही पढ़ते आए हैं portmanteau words, पर वो हमने हिंदी में पढ़ा है. हम लोग हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं ना संधि विच्छेद करना. So विच्छेद करना इस दो वर्ड्स को अलग अलग करना. The portmanteau words is जब हम दो वर्ड्स को जोड़ते हैं, संधि करना. The teacher used to give us, वो जो हिंदी वाली मैडम देती थी, बहुत ईजी होता था करने में. there used to be two different words, बीच में एक प्लस का मार्क एंड देन इक्वल टू. यू यूज्ड टू कंबाइन दोनों वर्ड्स को हम जोड़ते थे और एक नया वर्ड बन जाता था. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड संधि करना, एंड दैट एग्जैक्टली इन इंग्लिश इज नोन एज द portmanteau words. Okay, so I'm giving you one more example to make it much clearer. Again, it is related to the film industry, which will be easier for you guys to connect with. So the second word is Tollywood. Tollywood earlier used to be Calcutta film industry, and why the name Tollywood? Again the same story. Tollygunj is a place in Calcutta which is the film industry. The film industry setup is based in Tollygunj. So the word Tolly, and then from Hollywood we are taking the second half, and when you combine it, it becomes Tollywood. So now you can clearly understand what exactly is portmanteau words. Portmanteau words are the combination of two words, but not the complete two words. The first half of the first word and the last half of the second word, when you combine together, that is known as portmanteau words. Now I am giving you the one last example of portmanteau words, and that is again a very famous name, but that is not the film industry name. It is different from that, because these are, आप लोगों को ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए that only the film industry names are the portmanteau words. There are many other words which we use in our day-to-day life which are not exactly words, but when you make it, combine it like this, now they have a proper meaning. So one more word is exactly bromance. I guess you know about it. Bromance is the combination of two words, brother plus romance. When two people, two bhai, two dost, like that, when two people are very close with each other, they share their stories, they share their life, they share their daily ki guftagu and all that stuff. So when they share their stuffs together, that is called bromance. When they share two people are sharing a good friendship together, that is called bromance. So the brother plus romance is bromance. Again, that is a portmanteau word. With brother you are taking the bro, bro, and from romance you are taking the last half and you combining it together, and that is making it portmanteau words, romance. So now I hope that the concept of the portmanteau words and its relationship with Bollywood is completely clear to you all. And now the time when I am going to ask you a question, and I am very excited about it to see how many people can answer it. So my question to you is that you have to tell me in the comment section below any one word which is a portmanteau word. Now it can be from the film industry like the combination I told you, but it should not be Bollywood and Tollywood, which has already been explained. It can be any other word or any word from our regular life which is a prime example of portmanteau word, like the word bromance I used in front of you. So that's all for today. I'm expecting some good answers from you guys, and we will read out the names and the answers in my next video tomorrow. So stay tuned, take care, bye.